I know every spot where the big one's prowler. 8 feet long and 4 feet wide, just enough for me, my rods, and cooler pack. Fish jump when they feel that low freeboard ride. I rid the water, watch the sky turn black. Cast into the weeds or open deep, with worms, jigs, crankbaits, what they need. Pull them in steady, make the reel scream. They call me big guy, little boat, catching every freshwater fish anytime I float.